Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video tutorial for Maverick Excelsior. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use the backplate options added in our latest version. We'll start by dropping a 3DM file to set up an example. In the Pose panel, we'll lay the ring down. Now let's take a look at the new backplate panel, where we can change the background color of our scene. We have a library of preset colors and a color picker to choose any color you like. We recommend using light colors as they usually look better with most scenes. To use a stock color, just click on any of them. As you can see, they are all light, desaturated colors that will pair nicely with typical jewelry models. You can also save your own custom colors. First, select a color you like and click the Save Color button. Let's save a couple of them. Once saved, you'll be able to reuse them in your future scenes. To delete a saved color, simply drag it to the trash bin. Lastly, let's look at a very interesting option called Reflect Backplate Color. We'll choose a model where this effect is especially noticeable. Lay it down in the horizontal pose, and in the backplate panel, choose a background color. Now you can see that the background is green, but the metal is not reflecting that green. This can be desirable because sometimes you want to preserve the color of your metals. However, you need to be careful so the effect doesn't become too noticeable and reduce realism in the scene. That's why light background colors are usually preferred. If we now enable the Reflect Color option, we see how the white gold starts reflecting the floor color, making the model more integrated, but losing the neutral tone of the white gold. So it's up to you and your clients to choose the option that works best. If we change the metal to yellow gold, the reflect color effect becomes even more noticeable. Changing the backplate to a pinkish tone, we can observe both options more clearly. So now you know, choose this option wisely. That's all for now. See you in the next tutorials.